Well, I'm here live at the National Warplane Museum, Geneseo, New York, and there are not one but two TBM Avenger torpedo bombers here. So I'm here with gorgeous warbird. She's the boss, and not there's see the B-17 overhead, Memphis Belle, moving Memphis Belle. Anyway, not too crowded just yet. The airshow hasn't quite started, so taking the chance to walk around and get a close-up look at this gorgeous Avenger torpedo bomber. She's the boss. So I'll just take you on a walk around here. Great nose art.
Yeah, it's a definite bomber. That's what it was for. Drop bombs in the ships.
This is a torpedo bomber.
Yep.
So
that's what that long bay is.
Yes, it is. So you can see here.
They also carry small ones, fuel tanks.
We're looking in the bay. There's a torpedo here, ready to go.
That's what the long doors are.
And the back door here is open, so we're going to take a look inside. So the Avenger had a crew of 3, but this is a big plane. This is very large. You can see up to the cockpit, but you can see the turret for the gunner. I'm not going to go inside because I think maybe I'm not supposed to, but it's very tempting. Doors open, so getting a great view of the inside here. So very spacious. We got some on the door here. We've got some autographs. Chuck Standrel, CV-10. Wow, I was just at the Yorktown myself, CV-10, a couple weeks ago. So some autographs here on the inside of the door. Must be some veterans who've flown aboard her. It must be something else to have served in this plane and come back and see one flying. Beautiful, beautiful plane. Great to see it flying. Looking forward to, here we have some VIPs arriving in their staff car. And another Avenger right over there as well. So really special to have these 2 rare warbirds here with us today at the National Warplane Museum, Geneseo, New York, and looking forward to seeing them flying later in the day. So, and this again is She's the Boss. Let's get one last look at that great nose art.
Yeah,